to Let's Cook That. For those who are new, my name is Myra.
And my name is Marissa. And today we're going to be making some yummy red chicken enchiladas.
Our ingredients for today is shredded chicken breast, the chicken flavor, chicken broth where I cook the chicken. I have onion and julienne style, a can of tomato sauce, a can of El Pato sauce, the green can, 6 of the California chilies already cleaned. I have 1 garlic clove, a piece of onion, corn tortilla, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Okay, so I'm going to start off with boiling water, and we're going to put our California chilies in there so they could get soft. We'll leave them in there for about 3 minutes. Okay, so while the chilies are cooking, I already have a pan with oil in there. I'm going to go ahead and put in the onions. We're going to saute the onions for 2 minutes, and then we're going to add our chicken. It's been about 2 minutes already. Once they get soft, we're going to go ahead and add the chicken. We're going to stir, mix it all in there. If you don't like onions, you can leave onions out. If you don't want to do this step and go directly to the chicken, you could. I like to do it like this so the chicken breast won't be dry. After, I'm going to go ahead and add the salsa del pato over it. And I'm going to mix it. And we're going to go ahead and just let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes already. And everything's all mixed together. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And we're going to go ahead and set it to the side. Once our chilies come to a boil, we're going to go ahead and remove them from the water to the blender. And I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken broth. I had 1 cup, but I didn't use it all. Then I'm going to put the garlic clove, the onions, 1 teaspoon of the chicken flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes to get a smooth texture. Now that it's blended, we're going to go ahead and strain our chili. Now that we have it blended, it has a very nice texture. You could leave it like this. I like to add tomato sauce because it gives it a really good flavor. Sometimes the chili may be a little bit bitter, so this will change the flavor. Mix it, taste it. If it's good of salt, it's good. If you need more, go ahead and add more salt. Now that we have our sauce already done, our next step is frying the tortillas. We're gonna fry them like 20 to 30 seconds from each side. Make sure your oil is hot. Don't fry them too much because then you won't be able to roll them up. And we'll continue doing this with every single tortilla. So now that we have our tortillas already fried and our chicken done, and our cheddar cheese and our sauce, we're going to go ahead and get started. So now that we have our tortillas, we're going to go ahead and get them and dip them from both sides. If you want to use gloves for this step, go ahead because the chili does stain your fingers. I didn't have any today, so my fingers will do. Once these are already dipped, we're going to go ahead and put the chicken. So once we have put the chicken in our tortilla, we're going to go ahead and add cheddar cheese. And then we're going to roll them up. There's 1, 2, 3, and we will continue to dipping them in the sauce and putting chicken. So we're going to go ahead and cover them all up with the mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to preheat our oven to 350 and put them in there for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is completely melted. So now that our enchiladas are out of the oven, the cheese is melted. I already put 4 in this plate. You could go ahead and enjoy your enchiladas with some lettuce, some sour cream, some queso fresco, and you could also put red onions, tomatoes, avocado, whatever you would like. This is our final results, our red chicken enchiladas, very yummy. Go ahead and try it at home.
And today we actually have a special guest that's going to go ahead and try our red chicken enchiladas.
Her name is Maria. Say hi.
Hi guys.
So, help yourself, Maria. She's going to say what's up, if they're good or not. And be honest.
Okay. Oh my god, that is good.
It is good?
Okay. So, since she just said they are good.
Yeah, you guys gotta do it at home.
It's approved?
Yes.
Yay! Thumbs
So
up, you
approved it,
guys.
So go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, we'll be back with more videos
Let's cook that.